What if I told you that people are making over $3,500 every single month without filming a single video themselves? Yep, you heard that right. Some of the fastest growing YouTube Shorts channels are simply copying and repurposing viral videos and turning them into serious income machines. Here's how they do it. They grab trending, high engagement clips from Douyin and Kuaishou, two of the biggest short video platforms in China. No filming, no face on camera, just smart content curation. Next, some creators take it a step further and use scriptwriting to generate scripts automatically. It's free at first, but even the full version costs only around $5, making it a smart investment if you're serious about building a channel. Then using a free tool like tiku.cc, they download these videos in seconds, ready to be edited and rebranded for YouTube Shorts. To make the content feel original, they add AI voiceovers using 11 Labs, which delivers super realistic text-to-speech narration. It makes the whole video sound fresh and engaging without saying a word yourself. Now, it's time to combine all the steps. Download the video, add a unique script, overlay AI voiceover, and edit the content to fit your style. Posting consistently with high-quality edits will get you massive views, fast-growing subscribers, and thousands of dollars every month. So if you're still waiting to start your channel, this is your sign. With a little creativity and the right AI tools, you could be the next success story.